In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Coinbase Wallet base name error that many users run into when trying to create a name. This issue usually happens because of a small but important mistake during the name creation process. The good news is, it's very easy to fix once you know what to do. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. When you're creating a base name in Coinbase Wallet, you'll see a field where you're asked to enter your desired name. This is where most people accidentally cause the error. The key thing to understand is this: you should not press the dot key or manually type any extension. Do not type .base.eth. Instead, simply type a plain word, ideally at least 5 letters long with no dots and no extensions. For example, just type something like a single word name without any punctuation. Coinbase Wallet will automatically add the .base.eth extension for you. If you manually include the dot or extension, the system will fail and throw a base name error. Once you enter a clean name without pressing the dot key, Coinbase Wallet will generate the full base name correctly and allow you to continue without errors. So to recap, do not press the period key, do not type .base or .eth, enter a simple 5-letter word, let Coinbase Wallet auto-generate the .base.eth extension. That's it. Following this method should fix the base name error instantly. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.